Hello, I just wanted to give a quick review on one of my daily must-haves as a mom on the go. I just got this Utopia Kitchen high quality French press, 51 ounces. I got this in a deep taupe color, and I got a 51 ounce because I drink a lot of coffee on the go, and it is great. So it comes with obviously the carafe and the French press part, and then this also twists off so it's easily cleaned. Very easy. That. And then you can clean these. I love that. Sometimes if you're familiar with the French press, the coffee grounds can get caught in here. You just easily twist it back on. Just very easy to use. Comes with this cute little spoon right here. And I actually have water heated up. I like coffee strong, so I add probably about a half a cup at the bottom. And that down there. Get this ready. This needs to line up with the little pour part right here. So this water is already heated up. You pour this water in. And you'll have to kind of gauge on how hot you like it. You can make tea with this. Coffee. I love French press because the coffee is a lot stronger, and if you freshly grind your coffee, it's great. So see here, line it up, and then you let it brew for about 3 minutes, and then you just push this down slowly, like this. And you can see, if you like it darker, you'll want to let it brew more. But look how easy this is. So easy. Fresh coffee. I got this item for under $20 on Amazon. Love it.
The gray line. And then take a spoon and stir as much as possible. Stir until you don't see any of the grains on top. Voila. You can go up and down a couple times to really mix it in. Okay. And there you go. There's this like nice color, meaning that it's probably gonna make really good coffee.
tea of choice. Organic mountain tea. Fill with hot water. Put that press in and let it seep.